Hello everyone! It's me Maxi and welcome again to my channel. For today's video po guys ay mag-dinner date muna kami na aking mga kaibigan together with our family sa Jerry's Restaurant. Samahan niyo po kami as we have our dinner and thank you everyone for coming in my premiere today. Thank you and enjoy watching!
Madali na bes. Chicken. May ibang option naman, Macloyd. May iba ka namang kainin. Okay na yan, sis. Okay lang yan. Hayaan mo si Kuya Macloyd mag-cellphone. Huwag mo ganyanin yan.
Wala naman.
Okay naman. Christmas na, oh. You'd still rather be at Jerry's.
Spicy chicken wings.
Dito, Flo will order, okay? I'd rather be at Jerry's.
Nasa mall.
Dito.
Wait lang.
Magsisi-CR. Saan ba si Mama?
Wala sila nandito.
Sis, samahan ko muna si Mami iihi.
Dito sa loob eh.
Ay, meron ka na, Jimmy.
Charlie and says yes, I'm not kidding. Charlie.
Huwag nyo nang banggit-banggitin yan.
There. Das.
Don't move. Sama na. Red. Maxi, ba't ganyan yung upo mo? Girl, does Angela daw yung sa middle? Because she's a girl. Only girl. Middle ka, Angela.
Ladies first. Ay, paano na yan? Siga na sa middle. Galit na yung siga. Walang middle ka, baby.
Ang pupugi! Ayusin mo yung labi mo. Thank you. Wow. Kuya, ito na lang ang alisin mo, please. So heavy. Sisig Marcy.
Sinad ko na yung kanina na eh.
Mainit yan. Oh my God. Why did you touch that? So, Maris, sinigang niya ngayong dinner. Kain ka na, Max. Enjoy na, Max. Bakit ka nagkamay? Ano pang ulam gusto mo? Mami, abot ka ano? May sisig dito. Ano yan?
Guys,
Bakit eh?
Papa, guys, look. I found last time I found a job application.
Mami. Max, ayusin mo kay Malaglag. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, 6, 7. Cheers.
Tara, picturean kita.
It's my favorite flavor.
Ubi?
That's the worst.
Alokin nyo sa ate Jillian, ate Maha. Alokin nyo sa ate.
Eat ate.
Ate,
that's your ate ba?
Nilalamig. Nilalamig na yun.
Classmate niya, hindi mo tinuro yung bahay nila.
Okay na lang naman, may ilagay na natin.
My mom?
Okay na lang.
Because that's my mom.
Parang may ano ngayon siya eh. Ewan ko kung may maliligaw. Kasi parang may... Minsan may nakasalubong.
Hawakan nyo yung glass.